Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Pass. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 11, question number 2. Solve the problems writing complete statement. First part. The government want to build new homes for 382 homeless families. If each home cost rupees 400960, how much will the project cost altogether? Solution: homeless family 382, each home cost 4 lakhs 960 rupees. Now we multiply to each other. 382 multiplied by 4 lakhs 960. Cost altogether 153166720 rupees. Four zero zero nine six zero multiplied by 382. Two multiplied by 0 get 0. 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 12. 2 get 2. 1 carry. 2 multiplied by 19. 2 multiplied by 9 18. 1 carry 19. 1 carry 200 1 place 1 200 2 4 are 8. Eight zero zero 8 6 are 48. 8 4 carry 8 9 are 72. 6 carry 4 carry then 76. 6 7 carry 800 place 7 800 8 4 is 32. Now 300 3 6 are 18. 1 carry 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. 1 carry 200 2 carry 3 2 300 place 2 300 3 4s are 12. Now add these values 0 2 17 7 1 carry 9 10 16 6 1 carry and 16 1 carry 9 or 2 11 1 carry 2 or 1 3 2 3 5 and 1. Answer the 1531666720.